All right, I have SierraChart open. I'm going to go over the time and sales function, the Excel function. So I have ES chart open. I have the SierraChart Excel study applied. I have excess as the key, and the time and sales parameter is defaulted. Now let's go see what that looks like. If I go to the Excel and let's add the time and sales here, so equals SierraChart.cht.TimeAndSales, enter the key and enter the number of rows that we want, and then we have it, right? So we're getting basically 20 last records of time and sales with no filters. Okay, so it's basically everything. If we want to see that in Sierra charts, I can go into here and let me see if I have any filters. Yeah, this is filtered for 5. Let's remove that, and we get this value and bring this back up, and this will basically match with that. Okay, so far so good. Now there's a few features that we've added that we can now filter the records here, and we filter that directly in the study. So if I go here, you know what, let's close this and make that a little smaller so we can see both at the same time. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to the study, analysis studies, and let's say we want to see only records of 5 and greater. So I click apply, and now we're going to see only records that are 5 and greater. Okay, so we can also do that here to kind of confirm it. Settings window, volume is greater than 5. Okay, so we see that one record here. Another thing we can do, let's remove the filter. So let's go back into here, remove this filter, so we see the full list, and also let's do it on the study itself so we can see it in Excel. So that disables it, and now click apply, I get back the full list. So now let's say that I only want to see specific sizes. So let's do that. Let's say I only want to see sizes of 2 and 3. So I can do that. I can enter the list of the sizes that I'm interested in seeing, and then I click apply. Right, so now I'm seeing only 2s and 3s. Okay, and this list can be as long as you need. All right, add 5 to it, and so on. There's no 5s at the moment, but you get the idea. All right, yeah.